Hi everyone. I really love Google Sheet and everything you can do with it for free. So here's something I put together just to look at cryptocurrencies, create a watch list, get email alerts for yourself, set different price alerts up, down, changes, as well as if you are buying, you can create your own portfolio and be able to track it. And so if you copy the spreadsheet, it has everything for you. Uh, you can change the email so you get the alerts there. But I've also got a separate link that I'll post that shows you step by step how to do this and if you want to make the changes. So all the prices here comes from coin market, this site coin market cap. Everything gets pulled from there, and so if I was just gonna put a particular cryptocurrency, it automatically populates. There are some scripts that runs automatically. You have to set it up, and these scripts wake up every now and then, update the prices. You can change the settings for that, and would send you an email when the prices are above or below the benchmark that you set. Hope you enjoy this. I'm going to post the link to copy the spreadsheet, so make it your own. And there's a separate course I put together, all for free, that you can use to learn more about this. Enjoy.